Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. I really believe that everyone has a talent, ability, or skill that he can mine to support himself and to succeed in life. Your talent is God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God. Talent is God given. If you are young and talented, it is like you have wings. The greatest talents often lie buried out of sight. Doing easily what others find difficult is talent. Doing what is impossible for talent is genius. Genius is the gold in the mine. Talent is the miner that works and brings it out. Mediocrity knows nothing higher than itself, but talent instantly recognizes genius. I think talent is like a water table under the earth. You tap it with your effort and it comes through you. No one respects a talent that is concealed. Talent is like electricity. We don't understand electricity, we use it. A really great talent finds its happiness in execution. The person born with a talent they are meant to use will find their greatest happiness in using it. The talent is in the choices. Each man has his own vocation. The talent is the call. With ordinary talent and extraordinary perseverance, all things are attainable. Talent is a wonderful thing, but it won't carry a quitter. If you have got a talent, protect it. Hard work without talent is a shame, but talent without hard work is a tragedy. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Don't confuse the size of your paycheck with the size of your talent. However you make your living is where your talent lies. Brevity is the sister of talent. Everyone has talent. What is rare is the courage to follow it to the dark places where it leads. Talent is cheap. Dedication is expensive. It will cost you your life. Hide not your talents. They for use were made. What is a sundial in the shade? If you ever find that you are the most talented person in the room, you need to find another room. There is no such thing as a great talent without great willpower. Everyone has talent at 25. The difficulty is to have it at 50. Talent is cheaper than table salt. What separates the talented individual from the successful one is a lot of hard work. Stephen King. Those who are blessed with the most talent don't necessarily outperform everyone else. It is the people with follow through who excel. Life is entrusted to man as a treasure which must not be squandered, as a talent which must be used well. A great deal of talent is lost to the world for want of a little courage. Every day sends to their graves obscure men whose timidity prevented them from making a first effort. Nothing is more inspiring than a person with seemingly mediocre talent rising against the odds to become a champion by way of hard work, effort, and perseverance toward their goals. It took me 15 years to discover that I had no talent for writing, but I could not give it up because by that time I was too famous. There are two kinds of talent: man-made talent and God-given talent. With man-made talent, you have to work very hard. With God-given talent, you just touch it up once in a while. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.